Hello, this is Shani from Boss. Today I will introduce our flagship solution, the SF718 PVC sheet pipe with water stop strip system. Innovative lock catch cross-section with tight splicing and an integrally formed water stop strip, forming a continuous anti-seepage wall, fundamentally solving the problems of piping and leakage. SF718 has proven effective in multiple scenarios, replacing wood piles and traditional steel sheet piles with higher efficiency and durability. It also has a long service life of up to 50 years and is UV resistant. If you are looking for a suitable supplier of PVC sheet piles, let SF718 be your reliable anti-seepage partner.